Hi everyone, welcome to the Barbuto family channel. Today we're going to be making zeppoles using Camerieri's famous zeppole mix, and he makes it super easy. You have the ingredients inside. We have the yeast, the confectionery sugar, and the batter, and it's a great family activity. And most of all, it's sugar, and we know all kids love sugar.
Not only kids.
Yeah, right. So like I said, guys, it's a very easy process. We're gonna start off by making yeast water. So in every bag here, there's a little packet of yeast. We pour it into a bowl with 2 cups of warm water, and we'll mix it. There's also a barcode on every bag that takes you to an instructional video, or you can just watch this video. You'll see that it's so easy and so much fun.
Okay guys, so we opened the mixed batter, we poured it in a bowl. Inside there is the yeast. I opened the yeast, and then this is 2 cups of warm water where I'm gonna pour the yeast. And then we mix it a little bit and we let the yeast in the water for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this way the yeast will activate, and then we pour it into the batter.
Now that we mix the yeast, we're gonna pour it into the zeppole batter. Go ahead, do it at the same time. And now we're gonna mix it to a thick consistency. Mix it. Also, guys, we can mix it with our hands, and it's even more fun that way.
It's funner with your hands. And it goes smooth.
So when you get a thick consistency like this, it's time to put saran wrap over it and let it sit for 45 minutes for the yeast to rise. We'll see you in 45 minutes.
Okay guys, so to make the zeppole mix, you will need some canola oil or vegetable oil so we can fry the zeppole. We're gonna pour it in a big pan, bring it to boil, and then start frying the zeppoles.
Guys, so the batter has risen. We heated up the canola oil. So now watch how simple it is. We get a spoonful like this and drop it into the canola oil. So you let it fry, and then underneath you'll see a golden color, and then just flip it over. So we make sure both sides of the zeppole have a golden color, and then we put the zeppoles onto the plate on top of a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. And so now it's the most fun part of zeppole making is when we put the confectionery sugar on the zeppoles. Here we go. As you can see, the kids poured it on a moment ago.
It looks like snow.
So guys, as you can see, it's super easy to make. It's fun to do with family, especially when they're putting sugar all over my face. If you guys want to make zeppoles, make sure you go to zeppolemix.com. There is a coupon code that you can use for a discount on the mix.
He's Pennywise!
It's so fun, and these zeppoles are actually delicious. They remind me of growing up on the Jersey Shore, eating zeppoles on the weekends. So good. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye!